comes naman sa product, sobrang sarap, affordable. Yung price niya would siya sobrang mahal. Premium yung mga ginagamit na ingredients. So, ang nagiging product namin, premium din yung lumalabas na mas nagugustuhan ng mga tao at na affordable.
The brand itself, catchy, of course. You can see yung logo is something you won't forget. Product-wise, the quality, there's really a promise that they use quality ingredients, and then yung extensiveness ng selection is great is the most important thing for them. From the very beginning, kahit hindi pa ako nakipag-deal with the actual franchise, they have provided all the information I need. And then from initial meetings, from the planning, store layouts, initial marketing, operational support until soft opening, and then until here in the grand opening, I got the trainings, the support, and the guidance I need from them.
Lucky Boba, Mercedes branch. Ayan, daanan nyo po. Ang ganda ng place, sobrang chill, ang linis, ang babait ng staff, friendly sila, tapos ang sarap ng mga
inside my head, I find myself a drink, and now it seems I'm 6 or 7 deep. I'm gonna feel this in the morning.
Taga-Pasig, lalo na yung mga foodie lovers dyan, you may visit Lucky Boba here in Mercedes Avenue. Katapat lang siya ng Cerritos Condo. Milk tea lovers dyan, they are open 11 a.m. up to 12 midnight.